What do you think is inside?
Coins. Money.
Coins? Really? Let's see. Yeah, look. There are coins in this pig's tummy. That's cool. Put these back inside. Doesn't seem to be anything inside here.
A clue.
Stew? There's stew inside this box?
No, a clue.
Oh, a clue. Right there. Our first clue is a box. It's a good thing we looked inside. You know what we need? Our handy-dandy notebook, which I keep inside my pocket. Okay, a box. Let's draw a parallelogram with a line around for the bottom, then 2 lines going down. There, a box. So, where could the key to our trunk be with a box? Maybe. But I think we should probably find some more clues just to be sure.
We're ready for our first contestant.
We want a paper bag. Cool! Maybe there's something inside. I'm so excited I can hardly look. Okay, here goes.
A clue.
Yeah, I know. This is a big moment.
Steve, it's a clue.
What, you see a clue? Oh, look at that. Every time we open this bag, we see a clue. I guess open is our second clue. What a cool prize. You know what we need? Our handy-dandy notebook. So, open. To help think of open, let's make curved lines opening out with triangles on the end for arrows. There, the open motion. So, we're trying to find the key to our trunk. What was our first clue?
A box.
A box, right. And our second clue is open. So, where do you think the key is with a box and open? Maybe. But I think we better find our third clue, just to be sure. And then we can find our key to open our old trunk and see what's inside. The mail's here.
A clue.
Yeah, I like that melody too.
No, a clue.
Oh, you see a clue? Where?
Right there.
Oh, this melody is a clue. You know what we need? Our handy-dandy notebook. Right. So, our clue is a melody. Let's draw musical notes. A circle with a bridge to a second circle, a circle with a stem like this, and another circle with a bridge to a second circle. A melody. Our third clue. That was our third clue. We're ready to sit in our
Thinking chair.
thinking chair. Let's go.